Can dirty system air filters cause safety switch activation by restricting airflow enough to trigger an overheat or pressure fault? When an air handler or furnace filter becomes clogged, the blower has to work harder to move air, which raises motor temperature and can cause the internal motor protector or a thermal safety switch to trip. Restricted airflow also changes pressure differentials in ductwork and heat exchangers, and that can trip pressure or flame rollout switches on combustion systems. To troubleshoot, isolate the filter access panel, remove the filter, and visually inspect it for dust depth and uneven loading. A uniformly gray surface with visible dust depth more than about 1/4 of an inch usually means replacement. Measure airflow qualitatively by placing your hand near a vent and comparing force between vents on different floors or rooms, and if you have a simple anemometer, use it to verify airflow drops below expected values for your system model as listed in the owner manual. When replacing filters, choose the correct size and a filter rated for your system to avoid excessive restriction. Higher efficiency filters capture more particles but can impede airflow if the blower is not sized for them, so match filter efficiency to manufacturer guidance. Set a recurring maintenance reminder based on your home conditions, commonly every 1 to 3 months, and document changes in performance after replacement so you can detect progressive issues before they cause repeated safety trips. The 3 most common mistakes are using the wrong filter size or thickness, which lets air bypass or increases restriction, waiting until the filter is fully clogged, which allows deposits to accumulate on coils and limits heat transfer, and ignoring subtle symptoms like reduced heating or cooling output that precede a safety trip. If the filter is the wrong size, install the correct frame size and confirm it seals in the slot so air cannot bypass the media. If replacements are delayed, replace the filter immediately and inspect the evaporator or heat exchanger for dust. Clean coils per manufacturer instructions or hire a technician if you see heavy buildup. If you notice declining performance, check the filter first, then verify return and supply vents are open and unobstructed, and create a maintenance schedule so small issues are addressed before safety devices are forced to act. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work in their service area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical advice, share maintenance checklists, and ask system-specific questions so everyone can maintain safer and healthier homes.